Hello everyone, here we are at Unskilled Kitchen. Wow, do I have so much news for you guys. Like, honestly, like, why am I wearing this hat? Why is there a kitchen island in my car? Why is there a kitchen island in my kitchen? What is going on? There's so much going on. You know, I told you that someday I would have a professional quality video. This is far from it, but we're close. I'm wearing the hat because it's the 29th, baby. We got 2 more days till Halloween. That means 2 more days till my birthday. Yes, I will be turning 30. 30 years old, dirty 30. It's sad, really, honestly. I'm a little scared of this one. 30 years old, can't even call this house my own because I'm renting. Wow, that started off really sad. What else is new? A kitchen island, a cart? Yeah, okay. Better lighting, better audio, I hope. Well, 2 more days until my birthday, AKA Halloween. It's a very special episode for me. So we gotta cook something great. And what are we gonna be cooking today? After much research, I have seen a lot of meatloaf brains. Yes, meatloaf brains. And no, I'm not gonna do it just the way that everyone else does it. We're bringing pumpkin in the mix. This is gonna be a zombie meatloaf brain with the pumpkin as the head and exposed meatloaf as the brain. Sounds disgusting, but I hope it's gonna taste good. I think we should just jump straight into cutting the onion, right? Let's go ahead and cut this onion. Oh, ah! Oh, God! Oh, why the hell would I use a cleaver for an onion? Ah! Oh, psych, That's part of our ingredient. Fake blood. Fake cleaver. I'm not using that for the recipe, just disregard that. Wow, what a great start to a first episode. Wait, what the f? It's not the first episode. Pomegranate syrup, yellow onion, a lemon, garlic powder, ketchup, Worcestershire, olive oil, brown sugar, salt and pepper, flour, some meat, breadcrumbs, what is this? Rosemary, thyme, a single egg, and a pumpkin. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing this pumpkin. And yes, I'm gonna be wearing this hat for the entirety of the episode. Prepping the pumpkin includes chopping this way towards the stem as much as possible. Scooping out all the seeds and the innards and guts. Onions, cutting them, dicing them. I don't know how I normally cut them. You know, you cut them this way, this way, this way, this way, that way. Just cut them. That's gonna be pretty much all the prep you need for this, as far as, you know, slicing and dicing goes. You get Halloween slicing and dicing and... No, that was horrible. I had to do this. Just so I can cut the top. Let's go ahead and make our meatloaf. Breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, some ketchup, some Worcestershire sauce, Yeah, I found out it is Worcestershire. Worcestershire. Our rosemary, our thyme. 30 years old. Time is running short. Garlic powder. Egg. Oh! Throw this beef on in there. In it goes. And onion. All right, let's give it a mixin'. I would imagine this is actually what zombie brain feels like. So what are you guys gonna be doing for Halloween? You know, during COVID? What's happening? What's the plan? Where the party at? No, I'm just kidding, don't party, don't do it. Is there anything clever going on? Like, are you guys doing some stuff at home with the fam? Like, chime off in the comments, please. Let me know what you're doing. Give me some ideas. I wanna know what I'm doing for Halloween. Other than getting drunk is. Cause it's my birthday, I can do what I want. Oh, geez, this hat. There we go. Brand new. Oh, I'm telling you to cut scissors. I don't have scissors right now. Yeah, look at that. Get a lot of this nice brown sugar oil mixture. Just kind of coat the outside. You can brush it on the inside as well. All right, let's go ahead and start putting our brain inside this pumpkin. Now I haven't really thought about how I'm gonna go ahead and make this brain look like a brain. I haven't put a lot of thinking, brain thinking. Just kind of like lay it on top and then push down. Well, if that ain't a brain, I don't know what is. Hey babe, can I use your artistic eyes? Could that pass as a brain?
You did it a little too much, fix it.
Fix it? Like, okay.
Smooth it, smooth it.
Smooth it, okay. The artiste says I need to smooth.
Did you pull up any reference pictures for this?
Not really. I didn't really do my research.
It looks like they just put their fingers through their hair.
like told him like greaser, like just put grease in his hair and was like, thanks babe, let's have a go for my artiste girlfriend. Thank you. Love you.
I love you. That poor brain.
Oh jeez, don't go falling on me. Oh my god. Let's do, oh! All right, while we have the zombie head and brain in the oven, let's go ahead and start making our pomegranate glaze, which will be the blood. More exciting news for you guys. I get to use this. I finally got it to work because I got the pan that makes it all work. Look at it doing its magic. Yeah! What are we putting that at? What's like the lowest? 140 is the lowest. Let's see what the highest is. 450. So let's do our math here. Come on. What's halfway? 140, 450. 300? Let's go 320. That's medium high, I think. Cool. Let's go ahead, put our pomegranate concentrate. Oh my Jesus, that's hot. Oh, what am I doing? I just probably ruined a really good pan. Okay, today just wasn't your day. That's okay. We'll come back to you. Let's just go ahead and do it this way. Let's try this. Take that scissor. Nutritious. So once your pomegranate juice is in there and you haven't set your house on fire, go ahead and Squeeze some lemon juice. And we need some flour. So this will kind of act as a thickener. Okay, so we don't need much. We don't need much. Okay, little goes a long way in this case. And we need to stir it up. Stir it up. Stir it up. Does that look like real blood to you? All right, so with your fake blood made and your pumpkin and meatloaf in the oven, you can now wait until it is done cooking. 10 minutes before it's done cooking, you're gonna pull it out, you're gonna put some blood over the brains, let it drip down the skull, make it look like it's just oozing down his face. And then you're gonna let it cook for the last 10 minutes. And then, it's hot. It has done its time. Let's pull it on out. And then we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle the last remaining bits of blood. There we go. Hold on one sec. Ooh, strong. Honestly, I'm so excited to try this. This looks really good. It smells really good. I mean, it's, you know, it's pumpkin, it's meatloaf. I mean, what could go wrong? I mean, seriously. Since it's my birthday, hey babe, can you serve me up a slice, please, since I'm the birthday boy? She's actually gonna do it.
Oh my god.
What do you think?
That's cute.
Never heard of zombies being cute. Ooh, thank you, babe. I appreciate it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sweetie. It's my birthday. Well, ooh, it smells good. The pumpkin looks perfect. It's nice and soft. Let's go ahead and let's try this. It's hot. Holy shit. I'm sweating up a storm right now.
I can tell.
Here goes nothing. Yep. We made a winner. Yup. This one's so good. Holy f***. It is so f***ing good. Holy shit, baby, you gotta try this. Come here. Try this. Try. Oh my god, what do you think? Isn't that so f***ing good?
That's pretty good. I'm just really good. Can I get some?
Yeah, so go serve up a slice. Oh my god. Yeah. This is gonna be, I think, a new Halloween staple for me. I think I'm gonna do this every Halloween. I'm gonna make a pumpkin, zombie, brain exposed. Go like, comment, and subscribe, please. It's my birthday. All I wish is that you enjoy my videos. 2020 is the year of creativity. A lot of people stuck at home, you know, with nothing to do. So you kind of have to get creative, right? Keep yourself busy, keep yourself sane. This year, honestly, I didn't think I'd be getting in front of the camera and starting a YouTube channel. It's something I've always wanted to do, couldn't build up the courage. But I'm here, I'm doing it now. So my birthday wish is that I hope you are all enjoying it. So yeah, go like, comment, and subscribe, please. Yeah, happy Halloween. Go vote. Till next time, cheers.